Dear viewers, Drishti IS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is African swine fever. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, 4 cases of the highly contagious African swine fever were detected among pigs at Kanchanpur in North Tripura district. Now let's discuss about African swine fever. It is a highly contagious and fatal animal disease that infects and leads to an acute form of hemorrhagic fever in domestic and wild pigs. Symptoms of African swine fever include high fever, depression, anorexia, loss of appetite, hemorrhages in the skin, vomiting and diarrhea among others. It was first detected in Africa in the 1920s. Historically, outbreaks have been reported in Africa and parts of Europe, South America and the Caribbean. However, more recently, since 2007, the disease has been reported in multiple countries across Africa, Asia and Europe in both domestic and wild pigs. The mortality is close to 100%, and since the fever has no cure, the only way to stop its spread is by culling the animals. ASF is not a threat to human beings, since it only spreads from animals to other animals. ASF or African swine fever is a disease listed in the World Organization for Animal Health, that is OIE, Terrestrial Animal Health Code, and thus reported to the OIE. Now moving on to the World Organization for Animal Health, that is OIE. OIE is an intergovernmental organization responsible for improving animal health worldwide. It has 182 member countries and India is one of the member countries. OIE develops normative documents relating to rules that member countries can use to protect themselves from the introduction of diseases and pathogens. One of them is the Terrestrial Animal Health Code. OIE standards are recognized by the World Trade Organization, that is WTO, as reference international sanitary rules. It is headquartered in Paris, France. Now moving on to the prelims-based question. Consider the following statement or statements regarding African swine fever or ASF. 1. It is a highly contagious and fatal animal disease that infects and leads to an acute form of hemorrhagic fever in domestic and wild pigs. 2. ASF is not a threat to human beings since it only spreads from animals to other animals. Which of the statement or statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.